Okay, what is your name, sir?
I'm William Braceros.
William Processos.
예,
Okay.
그러니까 그 다친 경로가 기계톱이라고 그랬나요? 톱?
예, 예.
톱으로
음,
다치셔서
음,
늘 통증을 가지신 거죠.
음. After your accident, since then you have all the time you have a pain.
Yeah, there is always pain.
Okay. 항상 통증을 달고서.
네, 일어났다 앉았다.
Can you stand up and sit?
한번 앉았다 일어났다.
And sit. Repeat. Can you sit up
Sit
and
down, this
yeah,
one.
sit down and stand up?
Yeah, I can.
How you feel?
확실히
You feel more smooth,
Yeah,
right?
it's more smooth. Yes.
Okay.
그리고 지금 요 발 이 신경이 죽었잖아요.
Mm.
Yeah, this one.
이것이 앞으로 신경이 돌아올 겁니다.
In the first here, your nerve it's been dead cell, but it'll recover. It'll come back
Good.
from now on. Okay.
그리고 이 금침을 놨기 때문에 시간이 갈수록 치료가 계속되고 있습니다.
Because of he put the golden needle. Okay. So even time pass, it'll be better and better every time.
오늘 고치지 않았더라면
Mm.
이게 늙을수록 더 아픈 거거든요.
If we didn't cure you today, you get older, you have more pain.
Of course.
Suffer.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
그러나 금침을 넣어서 금침 7대,
응.
7대를 넣어서 고쳤기 때문에 완치될 겁니다.
But he put the 7 needles in there,
Oh.
golden needle. So it'll fix you, it'll cure you.
예.
He guarantee.
제가 필리핀 초청받아 와서
응,
지금 7번째
응.
치료하시는 분입니다.
You are since he came to Philippines, you are the 7th patient of him.
Oh, thank you.
So
very
it's
much.
like a
Lucky
lucky
seven.
7 number.
Lucky seven.
So you are the lucky man.
Oh.
지금 7분까지
응.
영상을 다 찍었지만
응.
전부 다 효과를 봤습니다.
All this time, 7 people that he's been done, he all got succeed, and they're all very satisfied of their symptom, and even some are more serious than you or less, but they're all happy. It's good.
그리고
Very good now.
선생님이 낫게 돼서 기쁩니다.
He said he's happy that you feel better.
Yeah. Thank
또
you.
첫째,
응.
필리핀은 고마운 나라입니다.
He says the Philippines he feel more appreciated to Philippines. Why? Well,
이제 좋은 것은 여기 아큐팡철리스트,
야,
닥터
야.
오리엔탈 메디슨 이 면허를 필리핀에 제가 받았고 과거에도 여기서 치료를 많이 했었고 약간 병원도 했었습니다.
he said the Philippines gave him the permit to have a license to in Philippines.
Yeah.
So that's why he's very grateful, and then he's been done already have studied his the treatment to Philippine peoples. Yeah.
그래서 이 고마운 나라 필리핀은 또 고마운 게 있습니다. 6.25 전쟁 때 우리 한국전에 참전해 줘가지고 38선을 제일 먼저 용감하게 떨었던 군인이 필리핀 군대입니다.
He says the second appreciation of Philippines to Philippines because of the Philippines when we have a Korean War 1950, and he's the first army who came to Korea, and when they invading to South, they're the first army to help him to in the DMZ zone. So that's why he's very grateful and appreciate to Filipinos.
이렇게 고마운 나라에서 세계적 불치병 전문 병원을 하고 싶은 게 제 꿈입니다.
His the first dream is that he wants to have his treatment for who can have what do you call the unrecoverable disease that he wants to cure.
Yes.
That is his dream that he wants to be.
미국, 영국, 독일, 프랑스 강대국에서 못 고치는 환자들, 의사들이 못 고치는 환자들을 필리핀 불치병 전문으로 끌어들여서 여기서 이렇게 완치하고 싶습니다.
even like even other United States or France, Europe, any other country that who cannot fix this kind of disease, then he wants to do it to showing and represent it to others.
Yes.
이렇게 고마운 나라 필리핀에 와서
음.
필리핀 분들을 치료한 것이 즐겁고 과거에도 이렇게 많이 치료사가 이렇게 있습니다.
Okay.
감사합니다.
He's very grateful to have a chance to give his the ability to Philippines that who can fix this showing of his all the knowledge and sharing
Yes,
with the
yes.
Philippines. He's thankful for that.
Thank you also, Doctor.
Thank you.
건강하십시오.
Yeah. I will introduce to him somebody. He's also very good in alternative medicine. This one, no, not used, but spiritual. I introduced to him
Okay.
alternative medicine.
He's a Korean or Filipino?
Filipina.
Ah,
Very
okay.
good also.
Okay.
Yeah.
다른 필리핀 분인데
예.
이런 대체 의학을 하시는 분이 있대요. 필리핀 중에
네.
소개를 한번 해주고 싶다고.
아, 예,
그러네.
감사합니다. 네. 이렇게 필리핀에서 많이 치료했어요.